Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain a Python script designed to organize files in a specified directory based on several criteria like file extensions, names, sizes, or simply ejecting files from subfolders. We start with the main function. This function is where all the actions begin. It starts by defining a file path, which in this case points to a directory named Documents on the desktop. Next, the user is prompted to choose an operation with a simple text menu. There are four choices: group by extension, group by name, group by size, and eject files. We collect the user's choice as an input, and depending on the user's choice, this function calls one of the four specialized functions. Now let's go through these four grouping functions one by one. Extension group function. This function organizes files based on their extensions. Now let's try it. When we choose first one, program puts files into corresponding folders. Now let's eject files and flatten the folder. And second function is name group function. This function groups files based on their first letter of their names. And let's try it. Let's choose the second one, group by name, and as you see, it groups the files by their names. Now let's eject files again. And the third function is size group function. This one is a bit more complex as it organizes files based on their size. It calculates each file's size in kilobytes and groups them into 5 categories: very small, small, medium, large, and very large. And let's try it. When we choose third one, as you see, it categorizes the files as their sizes. In summary, this program offers a simple yet effective way to manage files. By organizing files based on their extensions, names, or sizes, or by flattening folder structures, it helps users keep their directories tidy and easy to navigate. It leverages built-in Python modules like OS and Shuttle to manipulate files and directories seamlessly. I hope this explanation gives you clear understanding of how the program works and why it's useful. Thank you for listening.